We're starting on the Casho dashboard, where we're greeted with the prompt, "What will you create today?" This is our home base for everything we'll be doing today, creating a new invoice from scratch. To get there, we head over to the Invoices section in the left sidebar. The page shows no invoices yet, so we click Create Your First Invoice to get started. This opens the new invoice creation page, where we can see two main areas: a design section on the left with a range of invoice templates, and a live preview on the right that updates as we make changes. We can browse through the templates and pick one that fits our brand. Each one gives us a slightly different look and feel. Once we've settled on a design, we scroll down to fill in the invoice details. The invoice details section has fields for the invoice number, date, and due date. We also need to attach this invoice to a client. When we click into the client field, we get the option to add a new client, so we fill in their name and email address in the dialog that appears. With the client set, we move on to the invoice items section. Here we add the products or services we're billing for, description, quantity, unit price, and the total amount gets calculated automatically. The live preview on the right reflects every change in real time, which makes it easy to catch anything that looks off. We continue scrolling down to fill in any additional information and notes. At the bottom, we can also set terms and conditions for the invoice. Once everything looks good, we save the invoice. We're now on the invoice detail view, which gives us a clean summary of everything we've just entered: company details, line items, and the total. Scrolling down, we can also see the activity logs and payment history section, which will track any updates or payments against this invoice going forward. Now let's look at a faster way to create invoices using the natural language input on the dashboard. Back on the main dashboard, there's a text field that lets us describe what we want in plain language. We click into it and start typing. We enter something like "Make an invoice for my client named Salim, product named Invoice without tax, price 20,000, quantity 10. Once we've typed our description, we submit it. Casho interprets our input and opens the new invoice form, this time pre-populated with the details we described. We can see the invoice number, client, and line items have all been filled in based on what we typed, saving us a significant amount of manual entry. From here, we can review, tweak anything that needs adjusting, and then create the invoice. And just like that, we're back on the dashboard ready to create another one. The natural language input makes it genuinely fast to go from idea to invoice, while the full form gives us precise control when we need it. Both paths lead to the same result: a clean, professional invoice ready to send to your client.